If you in the streets, you gotta invest in the hour, you heard? This is the best decision I made. Like, bro sees the ops all different directions. He be like, who? Then I up it and shoot.
Wow, bro, are you serious? After everything he's done for this country, bro literally lost his legs on the front lines. Now he's just a stray dog in a wheelchair. Yeah, I really want to feel bad for them, but I can't, bro. Maxwell should have knew what it was when he signed up for this lifestyle, you heard? Should have never talked on Coco, because we the ones that's getting active to turn the city up. Yo, I've never seen a fatter fish in my life, bro. I might even end the beef with the ops, because there really is bigger fish to fry. Man, this is why you ain't supposed to let your granny watch no cartoons, gang. She's trying to go to Paradise Falls like the movie Up. Either that or she's trying to get freaky.